What is it?
It's mine.
It's for you. Oh my goodness, I think I know what it is.
What?
Oh,
my
yeah.
goodness sakes.
We should leave those at Nammy's house.
Yeah,
Because she puts them on every 5 minutes. She'll love it. What are those?
That's shoes and jewelry.
Oh, you're going to get every bit of that paper, huh?
Yes. I'm good at opening presents now.
Okay.
Wow.
What do you think?
Let's open it.
Do you like it?
Let's open it.
You want to open it?
You like
Okay,
it?
first look at the camera and say, thank you, Uncle Tim, Aunt Deb.
Thank you.
Uncle Tim?
Thank you, Uncle Tim.
Thank you, Tim.
Thank
And
you,
Aunt
Aunt Deb.
Thank you, Tim.
Okay.
And Kyle and Ethan.
Come on, Ethan.
Okay.
Okay.
You want me to open it?
Yes.
Okay.